Hey guys, what's up? I was kind of, jamming out to the intro there. So, yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wobbly Life. Now, today we're going to be doing some more crazy jobs. So, yeah, I planned them out in the last video. So, if you haven't watched that video and if you don't remember, I do consider watching that one, but you don't need to. And I'm pretty sure I marked. Wait, which one did I mark? Also, this is the jungle, by the way. We're going to be exploring that. Maybe 500 subscribers. Yeah, probably 500 subscribers. So, you guys want to see the jungle? Then, you have to be, subscribed. So, anyway, as you can see here, there's like a little hole in the mountain. And I'm pretty sure that has, see here, look. There's rocks, see rocks. So these are all cave openings, I'm pretty sure. Now, I'm pretty sure these cave openings have something to do with the cave collection in the museum. Oh yeah, so by the way, there's a cave collection. So you know how we did the ice cave collection? Well, there's like a normal cave collection where it's like just gems and stuff. So I think we're going to be completing that collection in some other video. But today we're going to be doing the recycling job. And the woodcutter job. Oh yeah, and also a secret job at the end of the video. So yeah, I'm kind of starting to even like, those secret jobs. And this thing's actually kind of fast. Oh, and yes, this is how we are going to get there. Nah, I'm joking. Hello. What random grandma. Alright. Oh god, it's 12 a.m. If I find a place to sleep on the way there, I'll probably sleep. Oh yeah, it's way too late, man. Wait, I'm pretty sure there's like a house somewhere up in the mountains. Stay away from me. Jeez. Oh no, wait, I don't think he liked me crashing into him. Oops. Shortcut. Damn, bro, did you see that shortcut? Oh crap, and I'm going the wrong way. This is the way. I'm gonna probably just jumping. Like, just going up ramps and just taking shortcuts. Is he still following me? I don't think so. That guy on the bike, I kind of made him angry. Also, guys, if you look over here, we have the plowing job and the harvest job. Those two will probably be in the next Wobbling Life video. And then after that, we shall start the cave collection. Well, maybe. It depends. It depends. But probably. We'll probably start the cave collection then. Alright, it looks like we've arrived at the place we're going to be staying today. and we're going to be doing all our jobs at the woodcutter job and the construction job. It's going to be morning. It's going to be about morning, but by the time I finish this, so yeah. Oh, wood cutting. Okay, so this is a complex job. Find trees marked with an X. Chop down the trees. Take tree to the logging machine. Place the planks on the pile. Okay. Oh, whoa. So was the big like loud beeping, like really necessary? Oh yeah, it's gonna be 6 a.m. by the time we finish this job. Oh wow! Okay, nice sound effects. Oh wow, that's 2 planks. Alright guys. Oh, hang on. Hey Dad, can I? What the hell? Okay, what the hell? The hell just happened? Oh great, I've only delivered 2 logs. Hang on. I'm gonna head for this one. And then this is how we do it. Now I run along on my little stubby legs, and I grab that one. Alright, I now have 2 logs. Alright, now we shall grind these up. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Yep, there's some work going on in there. Hold on, $25? Oh, $30. Okay, I think we've done a good job so far. Alright, I didn't have time. So the other one, shut up! I didn't fail that job. Oh great, well this is just convenience. Where is the nearest ATM? Alright. It's over there. So if you guys are enjoying Wobbly Life on the channel, let me know down below in the comments. We've done a lot of jobs in this series so far. So yeah, I'm gonna. Actually, nah. I probably won't cook this right out. Excuse me? Excuse me? How? Oh, so, I think I just decided that, oh yeah, the others are gone, so, how about we just disappear too? Watch, I bet they're all gonna disappear now. Alright, let's go. Let's do this job. Alright, finally, after so long of hopping in cannons, falling, failing, hopping in cannons. Keep limbs out of the scenery. Let me in! Aww, no. We recycle all our building materials. It helps keep costs down. Recycling. Take rubble from the old house and place it in the recycling machine. Jump on the chair to begin the recycling process. Take finished resources to the market area. Oh, 7 minutes? Oh, damn. Oh, no, wait. Alright. How does this get possible? Oh! Oh, damn, this is interactable? Oh, okay. Okay, I got the movement going. Yo, that is sick. I mean, it's not bad. Okay, I think I get why we have so much time to do this. Okay, this job is so much fun, man. I love this. They put so much detail into this and everything. I love this job. Yes, I love that part. Oh, but I hate this one. No, wait, I got it. Oh, I love like this mini game and stuff. Alright. Okay, that was good. Okay, that was better than last time. Now what? Oh, that was it. Oh, construction packs. Cool. Wait. Why are there two? Uh-oh, let's go. Oh. Alright, guys, I have too much power. Oops. Yeah, I can cause a lot of destruction with that. Maybe we could bring that into the city later. So, yeah. So I think we're gonna just go there in the cave collection video of like me collecting all the cave artifacts. So yeah. Oh, so we destroyed the house. We put it in here, and we made new materials. So now we can build a new one. Wobbly Life know how to recycle. Construction. Take a resource bag to one of the highlighted walls. Take a hammer and hit the wall 3 times to build it. Okay. Oh. Alright, guys, let's get building. Alright. Boom. 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 Alright, now we hit the highlighted wall 3 times. Oh. Alright. This house looks pretty W so far. I love this job. Wait, I think after this we're gonna need to destroy the house. Yo, this is gonna be a long video. Alright. Oh wow. That actually ran out quite fast. Jeez, but I am like absolute constructing. Wait, that was the last bag we needed. Alright, I want this last one to be kind of smooth. Oh! Oh, and then you disappear out of thin air. Good work. That's a mighty fine house. Oh, now we're gonna destroy it. Let's go. Let's do this. My supervisor says we need to knock this house down and start again. Use a tool of your choice. Alright, big lady, this is where you come in. Alright, house, get ready. Oh! You know, I kind of spent like a while, you know, building this whole thing, so oh no, they've given me too much power. Guys, it's time we take down this house. Oh! Okay! Oh, and let me get the full outfit! Yes, I'm holding $68 in my hand right now. Cause that video is gonna be exploring caves and stuff. I don't even know if it's a cave in there. I mean, it could be anything. It could be like a candy land, filled with candy or something. But it's probably a cave, so. Wow, sure. Can I, you know, kind of like borrow this? What? The hell just happened? Get this weird freaking thingy out of my way. Oh, I can drive over these. Oh, those aren't a problem to me. Alright, they don't know what's coming for them, do they? Oh, the poor Wobbly don't know what's coming. I'm trying to catch up with this. Wait, was this the guy that ran me over? No, I think that was the green guy. No, he ran over my money. Oh, that house is for sale, cool. That actually looks like quite a nice house. Nope, get over here. Okay, I bet the cows are wondering what's going on. Get over here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hit them. Okay, I'm gonna start make it swing a bit. Wait. Hey guys. Why isn't it working? No, wait, what? Nope. I'm going back. We are going to get this car into Wobbly City. And we are going to cars. Okay. Where are you? You are going to be. Get out of the way. Okay. Guys, we are not stuck. I repeat, we are not stuck. So. Oh! That was a good hit. Alright guys, don't worry. If they don't allow us to use this in the city, we're probably... just gonna use it over here. Oh! So you want to get hit by the ball? Oh! You want to get hit by the ball too? I'm coming. This ball is swinging. It's going to wreck you. It's a wrecking ball. I don't care what speed I'm meant to go at. You don't control me. 50? Yeah, say goodbye to your head. Yeah, I'm sorry, cows, I have to do this, but the Wobblies are acting stupid again. Also, if you're wondering why I'm doing this whole villain arc, I actually have no idea. Wait, I got stuck there last time. Oh no, they don't know what's coming for them. Wobbly City, I'm sorry, but I had to do this. Okay? I bypassed everything. The game was designed in this way. The game wasn't designed. But now it is. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, Wobblies! Say hello to my little friend. Alright, so where should I go? Oh, close! Wait, why are yellow and red fighting? Oh, you made a bad decision. Thank you for your cooperation. Oh no, the lights are red. Victim. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep going after this taxi. Okay, I must destroy this taxi. One final hit to end off the video. One Omega hit. One final hit. One final hit. Alright. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a long one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.